everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a graph, graph or chart by using any table, pivot table, what we created in the previous, our tutorial. So I'm using the same file, and then how we can edit it. These are the graph, and then how we can edit and modify. Suppose if we need to change the legend, color legend, and then this graph size, width or thickness, or maybe some annotation text, or this any dollar signs, or need to change in the thousand or any symbol or something. So how we can format it later on. So let's just start with the new dataset, and then we will see. So here I have a sample superstore dataset. This is what we used in the previous tutorial also. From here I already created one pivot table. If you want to create again, then I will just go in the insert option and create a quick table. You can see that table 1 is selected already, and then just click OK. From here I just selected the sales in the value, and then profit, sales and profit. I need to know region wise sales and profit, and then I just add here subcategory. So you can see this is the region wise sales and profit as per the subcategory. And then here what we did in the previous video, that we format it, or you can change it. So it is like this. Now for the table I'm just going to use this for the chart, and then we will this time we'll go to the design option. Just we will go to the insert tab, and then this time we will go to use this chart. So once you hover over there on the chart option, you can see the same region wise sales chart is showing, and you can pick anyone as per your requirement. Now just go to select this, and then you can move it anywhere as you want, or you can just put it in your new sheet, wherever, like you can call it a dashboard, so you can place it there. So now I just keep it here, the same table, same sheet, and then we can go and then you can format it. Just we will move in the design option, and then go to format. Even you can change it from here also. You can see you can change your table chart background from here. Even you can modify this one also. If you'll go to format data series, right click, and then you can go to here, and then you can see this. You can update it. Even you can change the color also. From here you can choose any color as you want. Yes, this is now. I'll just go to show you this. If you want to change this is the sum of sales. Just click on this here and go to value edit field. Now here we have to change it to, suppose this is, I need 300,000 to 300k. So just go to custom, and then change it to k. Press OK, and then you can see it's changed to key. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and share with others. Okay, thank you.